We're going on a private jet! Challenger. Pretty cool box. You have plenty of room. So we were about to take off and the wind picked up and we had to not take off. So we have to wait a couple hours. Okay, go. Alright, what's up?
Okay, so we're not able to take off because we had a too strong of a tailwind taken off and we couldn't take off directly into the thunderstorm. So we're gonna wait about 2 or 3 hours. If the storm lets up earlier, then we'll get out before then, but we'll be sitting and eating our lunch on the ground till then.
So they're opening up this art center on a college campus called the Jackson Dinsdale, which is his name, Art Center. And it's in dedication of him. And this is the grand opening, that's why we're coming.
So here's a tour of the airport. The waiting room. The lobby. And there's the tour of the airport. It's raining a little bit still, but not bad. How you feeling?
Here we are on the cusp of a unique trip, stalled by the weather, but soon we'll be in the air on a private jet. That private jet.
How's it looking?
Looking much better now.
Yeah?
Okay.
We're ready?
What are you taking a picture of?
It's a video.
Oh, okay.
Videographer.
Yeah. We're gonna be safe now?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Hi, buddy. What do you think of this?
Jill.
What do you think of this new kennel with your viewing window? Yeah?
Snug down together all the way. Everything.
If this reclined back there, I'd sit on the toilet.
You propped your legs up?
Well, you can see we've got clear weather to the south, but the only directions they'll let us take off is where the storms are, so we can't go either of those ways.
All right. All right, plane. We'll see you in an hour.
We have a facility here outside of Hollywood with raptors, falcons, hawks, owls, vultures. We're a nonprofit and we care for all these birds that cannot really.
Take care, guys.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet y'all. Have a good day.
Good luck.
This tells us how fast we're going through the air. Well, air coming over the airplane. These numbers down here tell us how fast we're going across the ground and temperatures. Got our altitude over here. When we're in the clouds, this tells.
Where are we?
Right now we're currently over the Lake of the Ozarks.
Oh, which direction?
Jefferson City, Missouri is right there. Columbia, Missouri is
Cool.
Very narrow. Man, how does anybody ever do anything back there?
Could you guys see?
gonna meet about one of the nicest ladies in the country here.
Really?
Yes, you will.
I'm Julia.
Julia, I'm Kim.
Hi, Kim. Nice to meet you.
you.
Like your glasses.
Hey guys, this is Challenger.
Yeah.
Okay. I was wondering if that was normal.
We made it safe.
We made it.
All the way to Nebraska.
Woohoo! So this was pretty awesome. This is
Hi everyone, how are you doing? You don't sound very good. How are you doing? Very good. We're the American Eagle Foundation, like I said, and we care for birds of prey. That's eagles, owls, hawks, falcons, vultures, even a few tropical birds. And we flew here yesterday from Tennessee.
We don't call them bald eagles because they're bald. We call them bald eagles in the sense that bald simply means white-headed. She said we have released 150 bald eagles into the foothills of the Smoky Mountains where we come from.
Well, before I bring Challenger out, I'm going to tell you kind of briefly about how we got Challenger. So, when Challenger was born, he was born in Louisiana. He had two parents, and there was a big storm that came along. That storm blew Challenger out of his nest. The U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service said this eagle cannot be in the wild. He's not going to survive. So he was turned over to our organization, and since then, since about 1 year old, he's been with us. He's 27 years old this year. Okay? Challenger is a special bird. You saw him flying at stadiums, right? He's the first bald eagle in U.S. history that's been able to free fly into stadiums like that. Challenger has done hundreds of events. He's flown at stadiums, NFL, college games. And today, guess what? He's going to fly for you guys. Okay?
So, I want you to close your eyes, okay? And I want you to tell me when I put the feather on your hand, okay? Alright, so I'm about to put it on. So after I put it on, tell me when you feel it. So, okay, so ready? Are you ready for me to go, okay? You are? Okay, so is everyone watching? I'm about to put the feather on, right? Alright, so tell me when it's on your hand. Do you feel anything? Do you feel any heat? Open your eyes. It's been on your hand for like a minute.
You can become anything you want to be, anything. And I mean anything. But you have to have a passion, and you have to have dedication, and you have to do your homework and study things so that you do things to your very best.
And so guys, it's time to soar in your life, right? That's what the principal's theme is, time to soar.
Again, thank you for having us. We want to bring the principal up. We wanted to give you guys something, present it to you. We have a book called Challenger, America's Favorite Eagle. We want to donate this to your school library, so your teachers can check it out. You can go read it. It's probably pretty easy reading for most of you guys, but it just kind of tells Challenger's story in a different light. Some really nice photos in there, and we want to donate that to you guys, and hopefully you get to use it. And yeah.
been a fun trip. We're about to land back at the Sevierville airport.